In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download ElevenLabs audio in just a few simple steps. This is a quick tutorial, but it's incredibly useful if you've already generated voice audio and now want to save it to your device as an MP3 file. Whether you're using text-to-speech or speech-to-speech, the process is straightforward once you know where to look. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and let's jump right in. First, you need to generate your audio inside ElevenLabs. You can do this using text-to-speech if you want to turn written text into realistic voice audio, or if you're working with an existing recording and want to transform it into a different voice, you can use speech-to-speech, also known as the voice changer feature. Enter your text or upload your audio, choose the voice you want, and then let ElevenLabs process the file. Once the generation is complete, your finished audio will appear on the screen. At this point, you'll usually see the audio player along with some action buttons next to it. Look carefully for the download button beside the generated audio. This is the button you need to save the file directly to your computer or device. Simply click download, and ElevenLabs will immediately export the audio as an MP3 file. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically to your downloads folder, or you may be asked where you want to save it. If that happens, choose the folder you prefer and confirm the save. After that, your ElevenLabs audio is officially downloaded and ready to use in your project. You can now add it to a video, podcast, presentation, or any other content you're creating, and that's all there is to it. Just generate your audio, click the download button next to the finished result, and save it as an MP3 file in seconds. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides, and I'll see you in the next video.